If your septic tank cover is damaged or sunken, it is super important to fix it fast to keep your home safe and avoid costly repairs. So, first off, check the condition of your septic tank cover regularly, especially if you notice any weird smells or soft spots in your yard. If the cover looks cracked or sunken, don't ignore it because that can lead to dangerous situations like accidents or contamination. You can try lifting the cover gently to see if it's loose or broken, but be careful since these covers can be heavy and tricky. If it's just sunken, sometimes you can level the ground around it and add a new layer of soil or gravel for support. For cracks or breaks, you'll probably need to replace the cover with a new one made from durable materials like concrete or heavy-duty plastic. Always wear gloves and protective gear when handling the cover, and if you're not confident, call a professional to avoid injuries. Also, avoid parking vehicles or placing heavy objects on top of the septic tank cover because that makes damage worse. Keeping the area clear and marked helps prevent accidents and keeps things safe for everyone. One of the biggest mistakes people make with a damaged septic tank cover is ignoring it for too long, which can cause water contamination and even collapse, so fixing or replacing it quickly is key. Another common issue is using weak materials for the replacement cover. Always choose a strong, weather-resistant option because cheaper covers won't last and could break again fast. Lastly, folks often forget to check the ground stability around the tank. If the soil shifts or erodes, even a new cover can sink, so make sure you maintain good drainage and firm soil around the area. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners trying to find reliable local contractors who know their way around septic tanks and other home projects. It also helps contractors connect with people who need work done, making sure everyone gets quality service without the hassle.